Alright guys, we're at the Atlas Mill here. And before we get on today's project, I'm going to show you all the lubrication points. So, here's a lubrication point, there's a lubrication point. This is for your pulleys. Then, when you are done, you close this up. This will engage the pulleys. Then, you come over here, you open it up, and there is a lubrication point there. And you might not be able to see it, but there's a lubrication point there too. That's for your spindle bearings. Close that up. Then there is a lubrication point here. That is for your Acme thread. And then I always do the ways here. Clean this up, and then I'll do the ways again. It's always good to do that. Then I open this up, and I just put a dash of oil on those gears there. Then put oil in here, and it goes to all the gears in here. There's a whole bunch of gears in this box. For the which I like to see, change-o-matic. So that's pretty cool. Change-o-matic. Just like the Mustang, the 64 all the way down to 73 had the Cruise-o-matic C4s transmissions. But, I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's all the lubrication point, guys. So that's it. Okay, later.